Hello, Vinny. How are you?
We met after a long time. I am fine. How
Okay,
is your
that's great.
family?
Everyone is good in our family. What about your family?
In my family, everything is going great.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
How about uncle and aunt?
My uncle and aunt is also great. And what about you?
Everyone, that because of lockdown, I become very sluggish these days. And what about you?
And,
Like
and
everyone
many
becomes
people,
sluggish.
yes, everyone
I
become
behave,
in
I
times
behave like
sluggish.
I behave like slothful.
I
Yes,
saw
and our
many
bodies
people
are also
who
becoming very low.
I saw many people who became bone idol.
Oh,
and 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 they become also indolent. They don't want to do any work due to lockdown because school are not opening, and so
yes.
children woke up at late time. So
Yes, and
the
in online
schedule
class
is mixed
also they all.
and unchanged.
Yes, mostly children become a night owl.
Yes.
Yes,
And in
and
online class also, like first and second period, all the students were like very feeling very
right.
slothful, and they were like very sleepy. All of them become lazy.
Yes,
Yes,
some of my students of my class woke up and immediately joined the class.
Yes, only some like
No washing face,
who
no
are
wake,
early birds. Only
nothing.
they
yes,
woke up.
only they wash their face and set up to the front of laptop or mobile.
I am also doing like this only because, as I told you, I have become very sluggish due to
Oh.
lockdown.
And due to sluggishness, many people don't do their homework also.
Yes.
They are like, this is the online time, why to do homework? Let's take out printouts.
Yes. Like when
I do this kind of
I have
sluggishness.
to check. Then they leave. I did only one time, but today I show him that my maths work.
Oh,
I did this thing yesterday.
and some people and some children don't study the cheat. They are cheating in their exam.
Yes, yes.
They have
Most of the students
their exam.
are doing like this,
In online class,
and most of them are not. Yes, I
I
also
don't do that.
yes. Like there are some students who don't join the class, and when the schools are reopened, they don't know like what is going on.
Yes, and they are also unhurried. They are not hurried
Yes,
and not active. They
they
are
think that
inactive
they
at
think that
online classes.
yes, yes, they think that we can cheat from Google or somewhere, so we don't have to
Yes.
study.
Very good, all of you. Very good. Very good. But I can only listen not all of you. So please, all of you take part. You can also talk about your siblings, that my sibling behave indolent. Always when mama calls for something, he always asks me to do it, and he behaves indolent. And you can also.
It happens with me. My sister always do this kind of.
no siblings, but my cousins, I have two cousin sisters. They are very indolent and sluggish at this lockdown time.
Yeah, and even my cousins also do like this. They used to do like leisurely and slothfully.
And they don't do studies monotonously. They do like sometimes choose a time to study. They are
So,
like why to do study.
you can also say like so many people in this time have lost their jobs because they were indolent. So many indolent people lost their job because they don't want to do anything. So of course, why of uh, they were fired from their,
Okay.
yeah.
मैम बट would we say that कि मतलब वो कल पे काम टाल देते हैं कि हम ये कल कर लेंगे, हम उससे क्या कहेंगे?
They try to postpone their work.
Some people postpone their work every day to yesterday, that we will do yesterday, not today.
And even
And
also
yes.
you can say that I have my brother or sister, or either you can talk about any third person, that he enjoy being indolent. You can also say कई लोग enjoy भी करते हैं
Yes,
इस चीज को.
yes. Mm, my
they are
younger brother
going to
is very indolent because
Indolent.
he's not going indolent because he's not going school, like no studies.
And these people
yes, some people,
like to relax in bed.
Yes.
yes, these people
My sister is also
procreate
indolent.
on bed and watch movies with eating